Good morning children. Today we are going to do dictation words of I sound words. Which sound words? I sound words. So let's start. Our first word is SWIM, swim. SWIM, swim. Second one is WILD, wild. WILD, wild. Third one is KIND, kind. KIND, kind. Fourth one is SICK, sick. SICK, sick. Fifth one is GIVE, give. GIVE, give. Sixth one is CITY, city. CITY, city. Seventh one is SLIP, slip. SLIP, slip. Eighth one is DRINK, drink. DRINK, drink. Ninth one is LITTLE, little. LITTLE, little. Last word is SISTER, sister. I repeat, SISTER, sister. Let's revise again. Swim, wild, kind, sick, give, city, slip, drink, little, sister. So children, you all have to write these words on the given dots. Okay children? Thank you. Bye-bye.